This has been not only an enjoyable journey, but it was, looking back, one of the most challenging journeys, in that I've looked continuously over the internet and scoured the internet trying to find someone who could actually address my problem with the hairline. I found Dr. Jae Pak, and I actually had a very good consultation with him, and in that consultation he understood the importance of particularly the African American male and how the hairline is important to framing the face. I was a little taken aback that he was so direct and honest about what it was that I was trying to achieve and what was a doable source of achievement. And so we got to a good understanding, and he really gave me all that I needed to know and gave me that assurance that what I'm ultimately getting is what I want. I can only speak volumes for Dr. Jae Pak and his staff helping me walk through this journey, and the benefits have been tremendous. No more need for me to try to hide with the little dust that you do for your hair lining, because this is the real deal. So I implore you to take a look at Dr. Jae Pak and get the results that I am so proudly showing you.